anyways, it's fine. It's fine. So this happened. Welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the channel, and today I got a super fun one for you guys. Let me flip the camera around here and show you guys our current lineup. In the 720, Silvio in his brand new Porsche. Today's gonna be a fun one. Look at that. Whew. Please, before we start, hit that thumbs up button if you guys enjoyed today's video. Subscribe if you guys are new. It doesn't cost you anything. Please hit that thumbs up button. Thank you guys in advance. Let's get started. Fuck, this car is slow. All right, let me pull this window up. We got the boys out for a quick rip this morning. It is beautiful, 56 degrees on the temperature gauge it's showing. And well, the boys are in the rear view mirror there. The 720 is following. I haven't clear bra'd the car yet, so I didn't want to be the last one and get all the rocks kicked up onto me. So let's wait for some traffic to go by. He's coming this way. This way, this way, this way. Oh boy. That got pelted hard. What? The car, there's no clear bra on it, so the paint will chip.
Nice.
Yeah, record this. Okay, get Silvio, because he's probably going to rip a nice drift here.
Okay.
Oh, he didn't. What a day, guys. We're gonna go to a little parking lot here. Silvio has some traffic up ahead of him. We're gonna get to a parking lot, sit down, talk a little bit. I'll show you some cool video montages of the Mclaren 720S. That thing is wicked fast. As you guys can probably see, Grace was filming just the, man, that thing is visceral. I chose the wrong car. I should have brought the GTR out, but it's still in storage. Next time we will get it, and that thing's the king of the road right now, so even the GTR Tune doesn't stand a chance. That thing is just, as it goes for an acceleration in the tunnel. Try to keep a little bit of distance because I haven't wrapped the car yet, so yeah. Tunnel blast! Listen to this guy purr. Beauty! Look at that.
And we would just go driving really fast. So I always like going fast.
You guys heard the rev time earlier. Look at the carbon fiber now glistening in the Arctic sun. Stradman, yes, that's a line from you. Well, that's a nice touch. Look, 720 up there. some carbon fiber here, carbon fiber mirrors. The details here are phenomenal. Like, look at that. I hope the camera can pick up on that. You see Mclaren there sitting on the headlight beam. That's all open. That's all open. You got to see it in the flesh. It looks way different. Way different. You can see the rads there. Maybe that's intercooler. I don't know. It's too hard. It's not great visibility. And like the door sill, air comes right through there, flows right into there. There's so many cuts in this car. So many cuts. The spoiler obviously comes up. I'll show you Sylvia's. Oh, I wonder what happened there. I'll show you Sylvia's new car. Just picked this guy up. So he did the PDK inside. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll ask him to open the door. I don't want to touch anything right now with COVID and everything. He did the PDK on this car just because he had a manual before. He still has his M2 Comp 2, which is a manual, and it's fast. Maybe we'll see if we can get a little race action too. Similar. Look at that lineup though, boys. That is unbelievable.
It's fun. I was telling Sean, driving fast is fun by yourself, but even better
when you have friends.
I enjoyed watching Adrian take that corner.
Yeah. Well, you had
just where I drifted out.
Yeah. I wish I had my M2 today, just to drift with you.
And this one, remember last week when we were drifting with the blue car? It was like
we were tandem drifting.
It would
get sideways,
but you see how much less you can drift on this car? You can only get it out
a bit,
and then there's not th power to. We got them all lined up here. Check these two out. And we'll add the third. Wow. Take a look at the back ends. We got them actually pretty well lined up. Gives you a good idea of so definitely C8 sitting a little higher than that 570, sitting a little higher than the 911. Take a look at the rear ends. Wow. Just wow. Come over here. I'll give you a good comparison of these two sitting side by side. Just unbelievable. I'll actually give you that same angle. Here you can see the C8 just sits a little bit higher. That 720 just drops right off. Look at that. You guys want to see some racing? Maybe leave a comment down below. Maybe we'll get these two together, do some 0 to 60 runs, stuff like that. I think Sylvia and I may or may not do some 0 to 60s. There's really no point with the 720, but that's to come. Man, oh man, do these things look pretty. One final look. Look at that. That says it all right there. I wonder if you can. That's loud in person. Holy shit. And then there was two. I think we have a little bit of an area there. See 0 to 60, Silvio?
What? Yeah.
0 to 60 run. We have a limited runway here in Mexico. We're gonna try to stack up to see how the C8 does versus the Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. So all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, but you guys know this car is fast. Sylvia's trying to tell me what's up.
Yeah.
That was close.
I started after you.
That was
Yeah,
close.
you caught him.
It spun. It spun on the.
All-wheel drive, to be fair.
One. Oh yeah. You're pulling. You're pulling.
Built in Stuttgart.
You're building. Sweet. Here, we're low on gas, and I think it pulls when 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 gas is low. You can see the gas. And I didn't bring my wallets because we were.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyways, it's fine. It's fine. All right. So this happened.
So what just happened, Mister the Redliner Inc?
We've run out of petrol.
And so what's your first? Would you like to call a friend?
I'm calling Silvio. Silvio, I ran out of gas. Yeah.
What the f?
In the.
Okay, so should I come pick you up and we go buy some? Do you have a jerry can?
I have a jerry can at home.
Okay, I'm gonna around.
Okay.
And then someone can stay with the car, and then we'll go run down and come back with fill it up and come back with a jerry can. But we have to hurry up, man. I have an appointment at 3.
Okay, what time is it?
Actually.
Oh, okay.
12.
Okay, I'll go
I'm
quick.
coming back.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
You are so lucky.
I didn't know we were gonna go for a drive. I thought we were just taking pictures and stuff. And then we started racing, and I don't have my wallet with me, so we passed the gas station. And I'm like, shit! I didn't bring my wallet. I didn't bring anything. The only thing that I have is this one key. That's it. That's all I got in my pocket. That's it. That's all I have.
Here comes
Silvio. All right, the car is up and running again. I want to thank Silvio so much for going to get the jerry can and bringing some benzina for me to put some gas in this car. Babe did tell me a week ago when she last drove it that hey, the gas is low, but it's just, you know, I've been so busy with work and stuff, pulling crazy hours. Yeah, pulling crazy hours that I forgot. I naturally forgot. And this morning I was supposed to, get up early to do that. But unfortunately, I was up late last night working, and I obviously I forgot to do that. I woke up to Silvio, revving in the morning, and that's my bad. So I apologize that I was late on that regard. I didn't get a chance to fill up the gas. I thought I had enough gas, but you can see. Not a happy camper, and rightfully so. I apologize. But if you guys want to see more, and I also figured out the 0 to 60 runs. The reason why the car wasn't really as quick was because the car was pulling timing because it was trying to conserve fuel. Yeah, that's my bad. Just my bad. But I promise next time, if you guys want to see more of that, please let me know. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know. I'll fill the car up with gas. We'll get it all sorted so that we can do those kinds of cool things. I'm driving super conservatively because closest fuel stop is about 15 miles away. So, I'm trying to use as least fuel as possible. It's not in my nature. I'm a very apparently fuel inefficient driver, as Grace can probably vouch.
I can imagine.
Are you super bad?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay. I feel like she says that. She's bad. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button. I appreciate you guys coming along for the drive. If you guys enjoy this kind of video, please let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe if you're new, and I look forward to seeing you guys next video.